extra time.
Natarajan comes from a small town near Salem in Tamil Nadu, and about 6 years back I had seen him play one of those matches in Chennai, and I saw a lot of talent in him, and I had spoken to my chairman saying that he's a very upcoming youngster, and my chairman, Mr. Shankar, straight away said, if you think he's good, take him. And that is the time when we took him and started grooming him, and we got some very good facilities in IIT, and we started grooming him from then. The day he joined, that same year he played Ranji Trophy, and he went on to play in the IPL. But he had not had a very successful 2 years of IPL. He had some injuries and things like that. And this lockdown of 9 months has really helped him in developing his Yorker, which he is known for. And he has worked really very hard in his hometown village. Because of the lockdown, he couldn't come to Chennai. And you could see in the videos that the way he has innovated his exercises with the things available around his living area, like for example pulling the roller around the ground, and carrying water cans on his shoulder, and so that strengthening of his body in the last 9 months has helped him in having more confidence in bowling the Yorker for the period that he can really bowl. Earlier he was bowling good Yorkers, but say about 5 to 6 Yorkers in a Ranji Trophy innings of say 15 overs a day. But now, because the confidence that he has got and the practice that he has put in during this lockdown of 9 months has really given him a lot of confidence. And with the confidence that the Indian team support staff is giving him, I think he will be a much better bowler, and I am only hoping that he will get into the test squad. And I think he and the company are very happy that he is playing for the country. Our company Sanmar has produced more than 30 cricketers, which include Ashwin, Balaji, M. Vijay, Piyush Chawla, and a lot others, Sujit Somasundar, and we have been running our company team for nearly about 56 years, which I don't think any other company in the world private company in the world has run a team like this. So we only hope that he becomes the 31st Test cricketer to play for India from our company. And I should thank Mr. Shankar for all the support that he has given all these cricketers over the years of 56 years that we have run cricket. Thank you, and I wish Nataraj all the very best.
Hit the subscribe option and the bell icon to get all the exclusive sports videos on Extra Time.